Guess what happened to this finger. I'm not even gonna show you. Guess. It's disgusting. An August favorites video. If you're curious about my hair, sounded like a Scooby-Doo. Huh? I'll be sure to never do that again, don't worry. Okay, so if you want to see my hairy poo, ew, nobody wants to see hairy poo. Well, you never know, there's an audience for everything. This is what it looks like from the back. It's like very Christina Aguilera. Dirty. So I have some products that I've loved in the month of August, and one thing that I hated, because you guys like now when I do like something that I dislike or hate, so that's good. Oops. So one of my top things that I have been loving is, okay, hold on, I was about to show it, but this is probably the top thing. This is a repeat from, I think this is the only repeat. No, there's another repeat, but this is like the main thing I've been loving. This is the Clarins Paris Total Eye Smooth Firming Wrinkling Smoothing Eye Balm. Honestly, I use this morning and night, and my eye bags are like disappearing before our very eyes. I still have eye bags and dark circles, but I feel like this, I have to credit a lot to it, because when I started using this, literally they're like way less noticeable. I feel like my eyes are more awake. I'm more like, and not as like, people are like, you look tired, you look out of it, you look like your eyes are sagging. Like, I'm usually tired, yeah, but like my eye bags were becoming very pronounced. Like, you can still see this, and I do have concealer on, so I can't really see it fully, but this really has like worked wonders for me, and it's like so easy to use, smells nice, and I really, really like it. It's a little expensive. I think this was like 80, it was like 60 to $80, I forget, but it's a little higher price, but it's worth it in my opinion. I bought mine at Shoppers Drug Mart, if you're wondering, and love it. Highly recommend it. Okay, next, this I've been using for about a month and a half. This is I Love Coconut Cream. I do love coconut cream. Feel idyllic with a burst of sweet coconut and velvety cream. Bubble bath and shower. Oh, I didn't know it was a shower gel. What? I've just been using this as a bubble bath, my friend. This smells so good. Okay, people are like, probably like, you don't like coconut, fake ass. Scammer, scammy. Oh, I love the smell of coconut. I don't like the texture of it. Like, I feel like it's just like, you know when you bite your skin on the side of your nails? And it's like kind of hard? That's what coconut is like the consistency of to me. Like, and it's like flavored. It's like, oh, but it's flavored. You have like lotion on your hands, it's like, I don't like coconut, but I love the smell of it. It's very refreshing, I love it. This smells so good, and it's like sugary. It tastes like a sugar bomb, coconut sugar bomb. I've used quite a bit of it, because I really like the bubbles. This gives lots of bubbles. Who's it by? I Love? I actually think it's by I Love. I think it's by Louis. Sorry, I just like, that's a little weird. I think it is I Love. Anyway, it's by I Love. This is so freaking weird. Lots of bubbles. The bubbles smell so yummy in your bath. So I really like that. Okay, so the thing I was about to show next, this is a shower gel, and this is Victor Rolf. So a few months ago, Austin bought me this. He surprised me with this just one day, just because. So it was so sweet. So it was this Victor Rolf Flower Bomb Fairy Tales, and there was, or I still have it. It's a mini Victor Rolf spray, and then this was here, and I haven't touched this yet. I think I may as well take this out. It's a body lotion, but yes, I think I might just take that out and set it up and then just get rid of this box, because I've had this box for so long. But I recently started using this because I needed a new shower gel, and this smells exactly like the perfume. It's my favorite perfume. That's why he bought me it, and just like to try other things, and it smells exactly like the perfume. It doesn't smell like any less, any different. Your whole bathroom smells like perfume. I like don't have to like use the perfume after, because yeah, my body smells like perfume. I kind of just like do a little bit on my clothes, but like it's amazing. So when this is done, then I'll use the body lotion so that my body can still smell like it. I don't feel like I should use all these at the same time, because I'll be like literally a flower bomb, like a bomb of perfume. Like I'm just like a bomb walking down the street. Oh, I'm not. That's Target. Never mind. Okay, I loved this makeup brush. I bought this in Edmonton so long ago, and I started using it recently. This is the Morphe M213. Is Morphe canceled right now? I don't know. I'm always canceled, so who cares? It is just very, very small, and this is so perfect. I don't have any on right now, but the inner corners, it is so perfect to get in the inner corners. I've done under here before with it. So it's such like a precise little brush. And then what I love using it for, I did it today a little bit with my highlight, is underneath the brows. So good. And I think this is like $5 or something like that. Like Morphe's brushes are so cheap and it's so good. So yeah, I really have been liking this. Okay, nail glue. My nails are always falling off, breaking and falling off because, like, you know, I use my hands. I wash dishes, I make supper, I type. I scratch my ass, you know, I whatever I do. Open twisted tees to shotgun them like this. I'm rough with my nails, okay? It is what it is. It has nothing to do with any nail artist that I've ever been to. But this nail glue has held up the best out of any nail glue I've ever tried. So I wanted to share it with you guys. I don't have any lifting right now, but I broke off this while wiping my ass. I wasn't even rough. It's not like I was like, I must have had like a hairline, you know, like one of those hairline cracks. I had to have, because my hair was getting caught in it. And if you know, you know. If you have long hair, long nails, when you get those like little cracks, they're usually right there. And I think it just like cracked. It became too cracked that it broke. So this is my favorite. This is Helio's nail glue. Yeah, it's just nail glue. And I have, yeah, it like gets everywhere though. That's the only thing that sucks about it, but it holds so good. But yeah, I've cut it down quite a bit. It just looks like this, you just squeeze it. I could take like a pin and poke it through, but I've done that before and like stabbed my hand. Like, and I stabbed my hand and it almost went through because this skin right here is really small. Or thin, right? Small. Oh, I need to go back to school. I actually want to go back to school. That's one thing I've been thinking of. I want to go back to school. Somebody asked me recently about that on Twitter, and I want to go back to school. I just don't know what. You know, I really want to go back to school, and it's back to school season right now. I wish everyone the greatest time and like good vibes to everybody going back to school, but like, I just don't know what to do. I feel like I should just do it, right? Because you just do it and you're in it. Okay, so anyways, this nail glue. Me, I want to go back to school. Also me, all my nails are falling off because I wiped my ass too hard. So that's a really good nail glue, to the point where, I don't know if it was last time or the time before, my nail artist was like, what nail glue did you use to put these on? And I was like, I don't know the brand of it, and I had it in my purse, because I always rip my nails off, so I just keep it in my purse, and I pulled it out, and she was like, this is like so strong. She was like, my drill can't even take it off. That's how strong this nail glue is. It's like super glue, okay? It's like Superman. Okay, a few more things. I've been loving this. So for all my girls and cuties and boys and aliens and frogs out there that can't swallow pills, Junior Advil. Okay, so I got this the starting of summer because I needed it, and this was the only thing, because I was in a hotel and I had a headache and I was going out for supper, and when I have a headache, like I can't eat, I get very nauseous. So Austin went down to the front, you know, thingy, and found Junior Advil, and you just chew it up. And I was like, and it took away my headache, and I was like, what? So if you're having problems swallowing pills, I would suggest Junior Advil, right? Who would have thunk? Okay, I have also been loving, I've been talking about this so much, so I will stop talking about it now, but I still need to say how good this Wet n Wild Wet n Wild lip gloss is, and it's in No Show or something like that. It is such a good lip gloss. It's so shiny. I'm not wearing it right now, I'm just wearing a lip pencil, but it is so good, and I've used so much of it, and I showed it last time how much I used. I used why am I repeating every word? Too many children's Advil. Just kidding. I have used a lot of this, and it makes your lips so glossy. I got it from the Dollar Tree in the States, so cheap. I'm going to cry when I'm done this, but it's so worth it. So if you can find it, give her a chance. It's Wild Shine. Ooh, feeling wild, like a leopard. I was supposed to show this first, because you may see it. Oh my god, how am I gonna show this? So let me just get off. Okay, so this back pillow here, you can just tell that I use it a lot. Why am I showing this? Okay, so it has a handle, so it's easy to carry wherever you go, like on a road trip or, I don't know, upstairs. It literally hugs you. It's like a little hug, so it's good for having your elbows here. I use this editing. It's helped my back so much. I've been dealing with some physical pain, and this literally propped me up. It helped me, especially because my body is used to wearing a corset. So like I'm used to like being more of like a straight up position. So this helps me as well. Like if I'm not wearing my corset, or if I am, it just gives me a better posture. So I really like this, and Austin surprised us with me too. And he got that at Walmart, if you're wondering. Okay, the last physical item is this pillowcase. And it's not the specific pillowcase because I don't remember the brand. If you watch what I got for my birthday haul, it's in there. So you can see what brand if you really care about the brand. But it's just any silk pillowcase has been so good for my hair. My hair is growing. This is not my real hair right now. I'm able to put braids in. I'm able to have bleach on my hair. I'm able to not worry about my hair. I'm able to just be free. And like, I know it sounds like maybe a lot, but I'm just so happy because my hair did not all break off, but it was in a rough state. I really just ruined my hair myself. Like I bleached it too much when I did the braids like I did here. It was just too tight and I was doing them too much, leaving them in for too long, wrapping my hair super tight every single day, using like really hard elastics. I did a whole video of why my hair broke off, but now I'm using silk. I always use silk scrunchies, silk pillowcases, Olaplex, but this silk pillowcase, the first couple nights I was like, I hate this, because I felt like I was slipping off, because you know, it's like silk. I still prefer to sleep on a regular or like a cotton pillowcase, but it's like better for your hair to sleep on silk so it's not tugging at your hair. So after like doing all those things, my hair has been so healthy. Like I got my hair braided yesterday and she was like, wow, your hair is like getting really healthy, really thick, really long. She's like, your hair's so thick. So I have that to thank for as well, and I've just been liking it a lot recently, especially in the summer. It stays cooler. I think it's just like, now I'm just like accustomed to it, and the fact that it's pink. So that's just what I love. Okay, the hate of the month. I hate this. So like you can see, I'll tell you what it is in a second, but you can see where it's just like sitting. It's like all crystallized, like I'm moving it around and it's still staying there in that like crystal line. It is Jelly Belly Green Apple Bubble Bath. I got this at Dollarama, so I can't be that upset. I'm not upset. Chill out, girl. The shelf is just shaking. I'm wearing all green. I thought this was gonna be good, and I just showed a bubble bath, so it's kind of weird. It's like a bubble bath haul. And yes, you can see I used it a lot because, okay, it doesn't really smell like Jelly Belly, but it kind of has that green apple smell. So it is literally the reason why I use so much. I bubble bath with it twice, and I use this much because I thought I didn't add. I was like, I added some. And then I came back because my bath was filling, and I came back and I was like, did I not add any? Because there was no bubble. So I added some more and then went off and was putting laundry away again, came back and there was no bubble. Like, I'm talking no bubbles. Like a little bit of like foam around like where like the water's coming out, but like no bubbles. So I dunked a whole bunch in there and literally I was like, oh, okay, there we go, there's bubbles. As soon as I got in the tub, I don't know if it's my big ass body, but they all just went like, okay. So I tried it again to get it, and you know, maybe I was like, maybe the water's too hot. It was so stupid. But I just give everything the benefit of the doubt. Yeah, I hate it. Like, no wonder it's at Dollarama. But like, really. There are some things, good things you can find at Dollarama, but some things are there for a reason, right? It's like the graveyard of products that never got bought. Sometimes. My palette. Just kidding. Anyway, my favorite movie of the month was the Elvis Presley documentary. Oh my God, the Elvis. Go see it. Even if you, okay, I love Elvis Presley and I thought I knew like everything about him. I was like so enthralled by the movie. Such a good movie, such a good movie. I love Tom Hanks. Chef's Kiss, love it. I've seen it twice. And then when it comes on DVD, I'm buying it. I love it. My favorite song of the month is probably half the world's favorite song right now, and it's Super Freaky Girl by Nicki Minaj. He wanted F-R-E-A-K. Love that song. I'm obsessed. Okay, so those were all my favorites. I think so. Yeah. Okay, so I've successfully done one of these for almost the entire year. I hope you guys had a great summer, and I wish everyone going back to school, if you have already, or if you're going, or if you just recently started, I wish you all the best this year. If you're starting new in high school, I wish you all the best as well. Good thoughts and good vibes. You're gonna have ups and downs in school, no matter what school you go to, no matter what age level you're at, but I just wish and hope for everyone just to have a really good one. So, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys! Don't break your nails off on your ass!